Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to the channel. So friends, this video is one of the most demanded video from all of you that is related to Cognizant exam preparation, that is related to pattern, syllabus, how to prepare for the exam, because this exam is for different role. Like they just mentioned that graduate engineer or engineer trainee service desk role. Okay, so I think there is a different pattern for different courses. I will discuss complete points in one video. Okay, this video is very useful for all of you. If you not check the first video that is related to Cognizant bulk hiring, you have to check. I already uploaded the video on February 17. Okay, and Cognizant officially hire for 2022 to 2019 batches, and many courses are eligible. All branches 50% criteria is only applicable. They just mentioned that there is a graduate trainee or engineer trainee. Okay, but most probably understand my one point. We will discuss about all the important points in today's video. So let's start. Okay, so understand my one point. Okay, they not mention that this is a Gen Z hiring. Okay, this is a Gen Z hiring. Okay, there are so many roles that they hire every year, like Gen Z elevate, Gen Z developer. Okay, Gen Z next. Okay, so these are the some of the roles that they hire. Okay, and for the BCA and BSc candidates also they will hire the Gen Z developer. Okay, so this is related to that, but this time they not mention this type of hiring. Okay, this time they just mention the graduate engineer or engineer trainee. Okay, for graduate engineer for BCA, BSc, and for the other courses, and for the engineer trainee is for BTech, okay, ME, MTech, all about that. As you can see on the website, okay, as you can see on the website, they just mentioned that the graduate trainee or for BSc, BCA, BCom, BBA, and engineer trainee BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MC, MSc. Okay, so what's the exactly difference in this drive? Okay, and what is the important point that is related to this drive? Okay, they just mentioned that on the Superset platform that there is a written test, but they not mention like there is a aptitude test or there is a coding test. Okay, they not mention, and I search a lot of content on the Chrome, okay, on Google, but there is a no perfect syllabus or exact pattern for the graduate engineer or for the engineer trainee. Okay, this is the first position, this is the second position. Okay, so I think in this stage, okay, in this stage there will be two condition for BCA, BSc candidates or for the other courses. For BE BTech, okay, for BE BTech, I think for the it is for the graduate engineer, okay, and it is for the engineer trainee. For BCA, BSc there is a only aptitude test, okay, and for BE BTech there is a aptitude plus some other test. Okay, most probably they will follow this pattern. Okay, they will follow this pattern because they not mention about that, because for the engineer trainee the package is also high, the for LPA salary, and for graduate engineer the package is different. Okay, so this point will be considered at this stage. Okay, it will be totally depend on the Cognizant team whether they will just conduct the aptitude or coding. वीडियो में आगे बढ़ने से पहले मैं आपको एक नई जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी के बारे में बताना चाहता हूं, जो कि पेटीएम की तरफ से, पेटीएम इंडिया की मल्टीनेशनल टेक्नोलॉजी कंपनी है। मैं आपको यहां पर बता दूं, यहां पर सेल्स एग्जीक्यूटिव का रोल आया है 4 LPA प्लस। आप सारे जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन देख सकते हैं और यहां पर उन्हें किस टाइप के, मतलब जो कैंडिडेट्स हैं उन्हें उनके क्या क्या रिक्वायरमेंट्स है वो यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं, उन्हें क्या चाहिए। मैं आपको बता दूं, अगर आपको रजिस्टर करना है टेस्ट के लिए तो आपको बिजनेस डेवलपमेंट टेस्ट देना होगा, जहां पर मैक्सिमम LPA 10 LPA है, CTC 100 जो है पार्टनर्स कंपनी से 1000 से ज़्यादा जॉब्स अवेलेबल है। मैं आपको यहाँ पर बता दूं कि काफ़ी सारे 5 और नॉन टेक और टेक टेस्ट हैं जो कि आप देख सकते हैं। मैं आपको बता दूं, जैसे आप मान लीजिए कोई भी पर्टिकुलर जॉब अपडेट के लिए तैयारी करते हैं, जैसे आप सेल्स एग्जीक्यूटिव की जॉब देते हैं, तो अगर आप नॉर्मल देंगे तो वहां पर आपको 3 से 4 LPA का पैकेज मिलेगा। लेकिन बहुत सारे कैंडिडेट्स हैं जिन्होंने री लेवल प्लेटफॉर्म पर एग्जाम देके सेल्स एग्जीक्यूटिव का सेम प्रोफाइल के लिए 8 LPA तक के पैकेज के लिए वो यहाँ पर सिलेक्ट हुए। तो आपको मैक्सिमम बार से बार इस टेस्ट के लिए अप्लाई करना है। जितना आपका अच्छा स्कोर रहेगा उतना आप सभी के लिए बेनिफिशियल रहेगा। 70 प्लस स्कोर, 70% स्कोर आप करेंगे तो टॉप 100 स्टार्टअप्स आपको जो है यहाँ पर अचीव करेंगे। यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं कि एक कैंडिडेट है, ठीक है, उनका नाम कौस्तुभ है, उन्होंने री लेवल एग्जाम दी है और उनका एक्सपीरियंस बहुत ही अमेजिंग है. So many candidates say that it is like that venue and schedule to be announced. Okay, so don't worry about that. According to current situation, I think the exam will be online most probably. After that, they just mention there is a GD round. Okay, group discussion round. Okay, so I think for BCA BSc, it is also mandatory. For BE BTech, it is also mandatory because it is a next step. Okay, and one most important point, if this is a Gen Z role, okay, if this is a Gen Z role or this is another role, so they will not check the your GD skills. Okay, but it is a service desk type role. Okay, that's why they also not include the criteria. Okay, service desk role, so in which your communication, okay, in which they will check your communication. Okay, they will check your communication, how your communication is very good. After that, they mention that there is a technical plus HR interview. Okay, they written that the technical. Okay, so I think in the case of BCA BSc, they not ask some of the most of the questions, not most of the questions from technical. They will be focused on the HR round as well as your confidence as well as your communication skills. For BE BTech, I think there is a technical plus HR round. Okay, so understand my one point. Okay, and so many candidates say that this pattern is follow for the cognizant examination upcoming. No, okay, this is not true because this is a Gen Z pattern. Okay, this is a Gen Z pattern. This is not the engineer trainee or graduate engineer. Okay, this is not an engineer trainee or graduate engineer or graduate trainee pattern. Okay, this is only for the Gen Z examination. Okay, so don't confuse about that. One most important point that I have to include in today's video: prepare for the aptitude examination as well as for the coding concepts. Okay, talk about the GD round, prepare for this because I think they will mandate. Okay, and they will mandatory for all the courses. Okay, they will make the mandatory for all the courses. After that, there is a TR plus HR. Okay, so if there is any mail, okay, if there is any mail come from Cognizant team and that is related to this hiring, surely I will inform all of you. Okay, so don't confuse about that. Just prepare. Okay, just prepare some of the aptitude topics. Okay, prepare one or two more sections like quantitative aptitude, logical reasoning, verbal, English ability. Okay, so these are very helpful for your preparation because the pattern is not confirmed yet. Okay, so if you have any queries, you can ask in the comment section. If you find good content, please like and share the video with your friends. Thanks for watching the video.